is breakfast. It gives us the energy to go through our daily routine. However, some of us opt for the help of coffee to recharge our energy. Studies show that too much caffeine can be hazardous to our health in the long-term run, and it can also lead to headache and anxiety. Therefore, maybe we should try something healthier.
Instead of taking coffee to just like boost yourself, why don't you take a glass of a blended juice? A very good blended juice in the morning for detox is definitely the lemon.
That's right. Lemon contains vitamin C that helps with a better digestion and reduce flatulence. But if you are bored with fruit drinks, this is the time to opt for something green.
The green juice is another very good example. We have so much, greeneries. We have your sayura, which is like so, it's so inexpensive. So you can actually blend it with other fruits, or you can just what I did was to blend it with soya bean, and we have a lovely concoction, soya bean and sayur bayam, which is spinach. I also tried with daun keladi. It's a little bit bitter, but it's fine for me.
Wow, those are some unique vegetable mixed drinks. Therefore, don't be afraid to experiment. You won't know what you will end up liking. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can be extremely difficult. Due to workload, we forget to take care of our health. As a woman, menstrual can be torturous. Therefore, here are some tips to ease up on your menstrual pain.
Up your iron intake. So, go for spinach, go for broccoli. They have so high minerals, contents of minerals and iron as well. And even I would recommend molasses. Molasses is a very, very good iron booster.
There you have it, a great advice from the healthy chef herself. Other than eating right, take some time off your busy schedule to try more physical activities. Jog, swim, run a marathon. It is all up to you. Enjoy!